I'm gonna show you guys how to make my buffalo chicken grilled cheese sandwiches. So what I did was I took a rib of celery and I cut it on an angle on a bias, nice and thin. I grated up a big carrot and I added some garlic and shallots to a skillet, and I'm cooking them out in melted butter. Now we're going to take a rotisserie chicken, and you just pull the skin off, pull the chicken into these pretty long bite-sized pieces. I'm gonna add the rotisserie chicken, and we're going to add a little splash of chicken stock to make everybody get along, a little splash of Worcestershire, and then an equal amount of hot sauce. I like Frank's Red Hot because it's not too hot. It's cayenne pepper sauce. You put equal amounts. When we come back, we'll build the sandwich. I'm gonna blow your mind. Come on back. Sorry, they took my butter over the break. Bring back the soft butter. Thank you, Big K. Sorry. No, we have made a couple over the break. I just flipped them. Now, there's a lot of tricks when it comes to making any kind of grilled cheese. These are my buffalo chicken grilled cheese. The rule is not too hot. Otherwise, the outside of the sandwich will burn before the cheese actually melts. I use a tinfoil tent and I press down on them as I'm cooking the grilled cheese to make sure that the chicken stays hot all the way through. Very lightly butter with softened butter or mayo, the outsides of your sandwich. Cheddar. Top the cheddar with our buffalo chicken with the celery and the carrots and the onions. I'm gonna take crumbled smoked blue cheese. Got you. And then I'm gonna take American. I know! And then we're going to bring it to our perfect grill and let that get good. I'm going to take a smoked blue cheese break. And when we come back, we're gonna make blue cheese dressing for the carrot and celery sticks and potato chips you're gonna serve with your sandwich. Oh my God! In the bowl for our blue cheese dipper, this is awesome for parties. I've got 3/4 of a cup of either whole fat, thick Greek yogurt or sour cream. I cut it with a little bit of mayo. I don't really do mayos. I do Fabonnaise. It's a chickpea-based product. And then we're gonna add a splash of whole milk, or half and half, whatever you put in your morning coffee. For acidity, a splash of white wine vinegar or white vinegar. A little drizzle of hot sauce. Of course, we're making blue cheese dressing, so we need lots of that smoked blue cheese. A tiny sprinkle of superfine sugar to sweeten the dressing. A little bit of granulated onion and granulated garlic. And then a little salt and pepper. I do serve this with some chips and dip and the carrot, celery, and cucumber that make us feel that there's no calories in anything else. And then down here, we have so many of these. We have our buffalo, whoo, that's hot. Our buffalo chicken grilled cheese sandwiches with our 3 cheeses, cheddar, American, and blue. And look at that in there, look at that. Woo-hoo! These are delicious. Go to